Welcome to War India News Hour, e-signature solution to strengthen document management security. Digital transformation and its acceleration due to the COVID-19 pandemic has compelled more business to use automated document management systems that include digital and electronic signatures. We have seen an enormous demand in finance, healthcare and other industries looking to mitigate core business process from paper to digital in all of their channels. The physical aspect has proven to be the most challenging. We saw really fast acceleration of this paper to digital transformation in the last 18 months across a number of use cases. An e-signature is more common. With this, a person can initial or sign a document using a keyboard or mouse on it. If the platform requires it, by writing the signature in a blank box using a finger or stylus on a trackpad or touchscreen. The various mechanisms for capturing a person's signature doesn't change the outcome. They are merely different methods of confirming an individual's acknowledgement, approval, consent or agreement. The digital signature adds a digital certificate to an e-signature. There are B2B and B2C companies include e-signature capabilities in various automated document process, ranging from hiring or onboarding an employee or a contractor to closing a sales deal or entering into a partnership agreement. Similarly, documents can be signed by a group of people during a meeting. It changes the speed of business because you have the ability to close things quickly. With this, you can complete that whole process as you have been in person. Let's look into today's headline in War India. Reliance to invest in InMobi's glance for pushing curated news and content. Reliance Industries is in talks to buy a stake in Indian mobile content provider Glance InMobi Pte. According to the sources, the company is considering investing about $300 million in Glance, which is backed by Alphabet Inc.'s Google. Glance InMobi pushes curated news and entertainment content onto phone lock screens and also runs a short video app. Reliance investment could involve strategic cooperation along with the financial element. Transaction could be completed as soon as in the next few weeks. A Tamil Nadu-based MSME signed contract with Boeing. A Tamil Nadu-based micro, small and medium enterprise MSME has signed a long-term contract with aerospace firm Boeing to manufacture and supply critical aviation components and parts for the global aerospace company's products. The Tamil Nadu government said that the cooperation between Aerospace Engineers Private Limited and Boeing is a significant milestone and will provide an impetus to the growing aerospace and defense ecosystem in Salem and Hosur and Tamil Nadu Defense Industrial Corridor. Instagram pauses work on Instagram Kids focused on kids aged under 13. As the kids are getting phones younger and younger, misrepresenting their age and downloading apps that are meant for those 13 or older. Instagram announced it is pausing its work to build an Instagram experience for people under the age of 13, often referred to as Instagram Kids. This will give us time to work with parents, experts, policymakers and regulators, Instagram added. The development comes days after a Wall Street Journal article said Facebook knew Instagram was toxic for teenagers. The company says, we firmly believe that it's better for parents to have the option to give their children access to a version of Instagram that is designed for them, where parents can supervise and control their experience, then relying on the app's ability to verify the age of kids who are too young to have an ID. New malware can steal financial data from 378 banking and wallet apps. According to a new study, the BlackRock mobile malware operators are backed with a new Android banking Trojan ERMSC. It targets Poland and has roots in the notorious Cerberus malware. This new malware already has active distribution operations and is aiming at 378 banking and wallet applications with overlays. The first ERMSC related campaign started in late August under the Google Chrome apps GUIs. Since then, the attackers have expanded to include a range of apps such as banking, media players, delivery services, government applications, and antivirus solutions like McAfee. Key tenders are deliberately designed to bar the Indian companies. Niti Aayog member V.K. Saraswat raised questions and sought to put on hold the tenders for the government strategic rupees 1072 crore Kochi Lakshadweep Islands KLI optic fiber project, saying that the tender document has been deliberately designed to bar Indian companies from participating, which could compromise the security, cost effectiveness and reliability of the project. He further said, at a time when India is trying to build its capabilities in the telecommunications sector, there are no provisions in the detailed note for inviting tender DNIT to facilitate support the development of indigenous capabilities. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you so very much.
Hotels always need to keep copies of their guests' signatures. ViewSonic's paperless pen display is the perfect tool to help hotels do this. The pen display even comes in different sizes for different uses.
ViewSonic.